What is up, y'all? It's producer Ron, got the recipe, and today I'm gonna show y'all how to get them drums to swing, man. If you want that Dilla feel, that laid back feel, whether you click them in or finger drum, this is the video for you. Let's get it. Alright, so it doesn't matter if you play it on an E-kit, doesn't matter if you play it on a MIDI controller, doesn't matter if you click it in. I'm about to show you guys how to swing your drums in every way possible. That's super easy. It's not about how you start, it's about how you finish. So what I'm saying is you can play something super crazy, super off time, super laid back, but as long as you end on beat, you'll come back in on beat. I'll give you an example. Let's get it. So what I do here, all I did was play stupid off beat, and then as soon as the last couple of measures came back in, that last measure, I lock right back into the groove. Here's the example right here. As soon as that last measure comes in, I lock right back in. Same thing here. Play from the top. Lock back in the last four measures and you can't go wrong. The second tip will be leaving space to come back in. All right. If you leave space for those last couple of measures, then you don't have to worry about coming back in on time. Let me show you. All right, did you catch it? Did you catch the breaks? Let's play it back. Boom. So if you leave space the last couple of measures or the last measure, you can't come in wrong. You understand what I'm saying? Little cheat code there. Let's do another one. I'm going to play these drums perfectly on the beat. And we're going to move them, nudge them left and right to get that swing pattern. Let's get it. think we got it. All right, so really quick, before we get into the nudging and whatnot and moving things over and not quantizing, want to stress here, okay? It's important, one, to have the right quality drums, okay? I use Addictive drums too. You want to save some cash on that, okay? Link is in the description below, all right? Save a little cash on that. Number two, each drum cannot be played at the same volume level or velocity. So if I go to my kick drums here, as you can see, some kicks are a little bit lower in volume or softer. And some of them are a little bit louder, right? That's because when you're playing drums, it's a natural sound. You want that random, unquantized feel. And you can only get that if everything doesn't sound the same at the same volume. All right? So play around with the accents. So what we're going to do here now is just move these hi-hats over a little bit. And if we zoom in, we'll see that some of these are not on the grid. So all we need to do is nudge them over a bit. So if I nudge them over, just like that. Same thing with the snares. Let's hear it now. Much better. Simple trick. So for the first trick, all we had to do was lock back into the metronome. Right back on the boom. All right, and for our second trick, just leave it open, bruh. Because if you leave it open, you're technically not wrong. Now, don't go crazy offbeat where the rapper or the singer can't do anything. You know what I'm saying? Be smart about it. You know what I'm saying? All right, and for a final trick again, listen, just nudge them things left or right, man. Zoom in on that bad boy. You see me? Zoom in. Here's the grid. Here's where your notes should be. You can be more aggressive. You can be early. Whatever you want. Fire. Anyway, y'all, that's my time because the sun is going down out here. And I need that natural light. So I have to cut this one short. But I hope you learned something. I hope you can use this. I hope this will help you with your production and your swinging. If you like content like this, hit me with a like, leave a comment, and if you really like it, subscribe to the channel, tell a friend about it. I will leave all the sounds I used, the sample, all of that, the drums, all of that in the description below. I'll see you on the next one, man. Peace. Hey, what's up, y'all? Thanks for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you like what you saw, don't forget to leave a comment, a like, share this video with a friend, and if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel. Peace.